Didn't do anything.
I
Open
know
up
it.
your card first.
I know it's a go-go walking club.
I don't think so. I think it's closed.
She's the sidewalk.
She's my sidewalk. You better be nice or I'll make you stop.
Come on.
You gotta open up your card first.
I know.
It's tucked in, honey.
Huh?
Just right here. It's tucked in.
And it never shuts up.
Huh?
Lacey walked in and it started doing it. She ran out of the bedroom.
Instead of ripping it,
Perfect. What does it say?
I can't read.
Oh, it says, granddaughter. Beautiful things happen when you wish from the heart. Here's hoping that your
The
wishes...
first time I had a cupcake, I blowed it off and then I took out the candle and it burned my finger.
Whoa.
Here's
On my
hoping that
first
your wishes
birthday.
come true for a truly magical day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Hannah. Love, Grandma Joyce.
I know it's a go-go walking club.
No, I think it's closed.
It is a go-go walking club.
Are you sure?
Here's
I
your
think it's your
sidewalk.
imagination.
I think so too.
Here's your sidewalk.
That's enough. Oh, can't have it if you can't get it out of the bag.
Biggest bag I could find.
Whoa.
What do you say? What do you say?
What do you say, Hannah?
Thank you.
Does Grandma get hugs or anything? Come on, Grandma should get hugs and kisses for that.
So you got what you wanted? Uh-huh. You've been looking forward to that?